What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this super bold, out of the box green eyeshadow look. Yes ma'am, I said green. I mean, like, you know, I like green, like, you know, like green plants and all that stuff, but like green eyeshadow, who am I? I don't even know who I am, but I decided to step out of my comfort zone and just try green. This is probably the last time I'm going to try green in a while, to be honest. Just keep watching the video and you'll see why. But I didn't do that bad of a job, you know. I feel like lashes cover all my mistakes. So I feel like if I didn't have lashes, this look would have been like, oh. But yeah, lashes definitely helped cover up most of this green. Let me just give you a close-up real quick. It doesn't look too bad on camera, but I feel like in my mirror I look like a total wackadoo. But anyways, if you want to find out how I got this look, or if you will be so kind enough to give me any tips on how to work with green. This is, you know, my first time working with green, and I would love to get any tips, you know, to help me be better with using green. Just green, please. Help. Send help. Please send help. Yeah, but anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright guys, so I've already done the first eye off camera, and I'm just gonna show you step by step on what I did to achieve this look. So first we're gonna take the James Charles x Morphe palette in the shade 518, which is this orange shade right here. And with a Morphe E27 brush, we're just gonna go ahead and pop that into our upper crease. Just back and forward motions. And you want to get pretty close to the brow bone because you want room for more crease colors. Alright, after that we're going to take the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, and with the color Explode, this one right here, we're going to take the Morphe M573 brush and really pack on that color into our deeper crease. Again, back and forward motions all the way into the inner corner and then all the way out to the outer V. Okay, next with the Morphe E18 brush, we're gonna go in with the color Ball of Fire from the same palette, this one right here. And we're gonna press that into the inner corner of our eyelid, right over here. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M213 brush with some Too Faced Shadow Insurance glitter glue, so it's really meant for more shimmer shadows. And we're just gonna cut our crease with this. Okay, so after our crease has been cut with the glitter glue, back in with the Morphe 350 palette with this green called, I think, Come Alive. Yes, this bright ass green. We're gonna go ahead and pack that onto our lids. Yeah, so I was feeling really ballsy today and decided to play with the green because green is not in my color realm at all. It is so out of my comfort zone. And yeah, so we're just gonna play with the green from this palette, and then on top of it we're also gonna overlay the green from James Charles palette, Social Blade, right here at the bottom, just to make it more, you know, green. Okay, after packing on those two green shades, we're gonna go back in with the James Charles palette and this yellow called B, and we're just gonna kind of fade out the green so there's no harsh edges. And this is a Morphe E36 brush. And then we're gonna go back in with the color Explode from earlier onto our outer V and drag it out. Alright you guys, and then we're just gonna do a winged liner, just a little one. I'm going to go in with the Morphe liquid liner in the color black, and I'm going to do this off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I just did a simple wing liner. And now for the lash, we are going to take Mykonos Lite from the Lilly lashes, and we're just going to pop that right on. Alright guys, both lashes are on, and we're just going to go back in with the color Ball of Fire from the Morphe 35O palette on a Morphe E18 brush. And just lightly brush that on the lower lash line just to add some more color. Alright, and on the very inner corner, we're going to go in from the same palette, Morphe 35O, with the color Power Play. It's this really sparkly green color right here. And we're just going to go swirl her on to the inner corner to add a pop of shine. And then last step, some mascara on our lower lashes. Just the usual L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Alright guys, the eyes are complete. We're just going to go ahead and finish off the face. So I'm going to wipe off any translucent powder or fallout that I have from doing my eyeshadow. Just quickly brush over the face. And then with a Morphe E4 brush, we're just going to go in with the Nikita Dragun Face Palette with the color Femme and Surge, and just lightly bronze up the face to give us some warmth. And then we're going to go ahead with a little bit of Femme down the nose. And then for blush, we're going to go in with BB Girl from the same palette. Just BB Girl, it's the matte pink. And for highlight, we're gonna hit it with Fantasy, this one right here. And to finish off this look, we're just gonna go in the mellow liquid lip paint, my go-to. And now we're gonna set with some Morphe setting spray. Fan her out a little bit. And there you have it, you guys. Thank you for joining me with this super out of the box, so out of my comfort zone makeup look. If I'm being honest with myself, I totally think I could have done way better. This is my first time really using green. I did a rainbow look a couple of videos ago, but that was like the ittiest bittiest green I've ever used. But this time I decided to really push myself and go for the green, basically. I definitely think that I could have chosen different colors to make the transition look better. It kind of looks just a little choppy. Again, you know, I'm more of a natural gal. I like my warm tones, my natural colors. I like a very nude tone palette. But I am a makeup lover, so I decided to try to really push myself, and boy did I push myself with this. And again, if I'm being honest, I'm probably just gonna take this makeup off right after I say bye to you guys, because I give myself personally a 5.5 out of 10 for this makeup look. I really need to work on my blending skills with green. Just green, you know, I've done purple, blue, pink, red, orange. It's just green. Green is a super hard color, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can understand that. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and I will hope to see you in my next video. Bye. It's stuck on my hair. Side note, I made a little flower wall on my wall. These vines from Amazon, these flower vines from Amazon. The flower ones came in a pack of 6. They're about 8 feet long. And these vine ones, they came in a pack of 12. And they're 7 feet long, I believe. So yeah, they were only like 14 bucks each for each pack. So yeah, I thought it was super cute to make a cute little flower wall.